In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to give someone access to your Google Drive. So let's begin. So first, you want to open up google.com. Once you open this page, you want to click this logo and click Drive. Once you're in this page, you want to select the file you want to give access to. Then, once you selected the file, click it and right click it and click Share. And here you can send this file to some guy. So now here I want to send this file to this Gmail. So here, and now I can give this guy some roles. I can make him the viewer. He can just view my file. He can't just download it. Here I can give him commenter. He can just comment in my file and view it. And here I can give him editor. Here he can access my file. He can download it and edit it. He can do anything with it. In my case, I want to give him editor, and then you can send any message with it also, but in my case I don't want to send any message, and then you can click send. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.